Hello YouTube! Xiaomi finally announced MIUI 13 and with it came the beautiful live wallpapers. Molten glass, crystallization and all the beauties we can install now. So without further ado, I will show you how to install them on every Android device. Before we continue, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please do this now and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss a video. Let's jump in. Okay guys, actually there are already videos in YouTube how to install these wallpapers from yesterday. Lots of creators pushing videos about this live wallpaper from MIUI 13. But they weren't ready because they didn't work on the lock screen. It was just a blank screen here on the lock screen, and today they are finally ready. So to install them, what we need to do is just open our browser, go to this website blink.com something, of course it will be in video description. Here we need to thank to these guys for creating and porting these wallpapers. You can see their creations birth. They have a Telegram channel, you can check them. It is here in that link, so you can enter their channel. They have lots of nice stuff there. So when we are here on that website, again link will be in video description, just tap here on files, select download, select MIUI 13 live wallpaper zip, tap on it, select download or download mirror. It is big file, almost 400 megabytes, so download it on Wi-Fi. Tap done and download will start. Okay, download is ready. When it's ready, just go to your file browser. Here it is in downloaded folder. Download MIUI 13 live wallpapers port by Creations Bird. So you can just tap on the zip file and select extract here. It is already extracted and we need to open the folder, and you can see here are all the wallpapers. They are like APKs, so we just need to install them on our phone. Just tap on it, select install, done. The next one. Just install all the wallpapers that you want. It's not needed to install every wallpaper, just the preferred ones. It's done. Let's install some from Molten Glass. Personally, I like all of these wallpapers. They are very beautiful. I already installed a couple of wallpapers, so now just go to your home screen. Here comes the important part, because you can't apply these wallpapers using stock application. Let's just try it. Swiping on the home screen, select wallpaper, local photos. You can see there isn't an option for live wallpapers, and our wallpapers are not here. Here are super wallpapers. These are just the standard ones coming with MIUI 12.5, but the new ones which we just installed are not here. So how we can apply them? Just go out from here, open Play Store, and here search for Google Wallpaper. Just tap it and select that application, Wallpapers by Google. Install it. When it's ready, just open the application, scroll down, and you can see there is live wallpaper style. Just tap on it, scroll down, and here are our wallpapers which we just installed: MIUI 13, crystallization and molten glass. All the wallpapers which I just installed, you can check them when you select the preferred one. For example, this one, just select set wallpaper, and that's it. It's set and working. Let's go to lock screen and check them. And you can see they are working on the lock screen too. So this is the way to apply already installed MIUI 13 ported live wallpapers. Let's just try with another one. Scroll down, select live wallpapers, scroll down, here they are. Let's just select that molten glass, set wallpaper, and that's it. It's already set to our device. Let's check the lock screen and you can see it's working. So today they are finally working on the lock screen. Select again live wallpapers, just select another one, this one, set wallpaper, and it is already set. You can see the beauty of these wallpapers. Again, lock screen, and here they are. So guys, this is just the way to install these wallpapers. And you know what's the best part of this? This is my Poco F3 and they are working on it. It is Xiaomi device, but here is my Samsung device and let's check it. You can see perfectly working here too. So these wallpapers are for every device: Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and all of them except iPhones, of course. That was it. Don't forget to give a credit to these guys, Artist Creations. Here is their Telegram channel, you can visit them. And if you like this video and want to thank me, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.